Have you ever wondered what happens inside your body when you get sick and have to take antibiotics? It's like a microscopic superhero movie, and today you're getting a front row seat. Imagine this. One day you start feeling yucky. You've got a sore throat and a fever. What's going on? Tiny invaders called bacteria have snuck into your body and are throwing a wild party, making you feel sick. These bacteria are like little troublemakers, multiplying super fast and causing all sorts of problems. Now, your body has its own security team called the immune system. Your white blood cells are the brave soldiers on the front lines fighting off these bacterial invaders. They work really hard, but sometimes the bacteria party gets too big and out of control. Your immune system is overwhelmed and needs backup. That's when the doctor might prescribe antibiotics. Think of antibiotics as the ultimate elite special forces. When you take that pill or liquid, millions of these tiny warriors are released into your system. Their mission: to hunt down and defeat the bad bacteria. So how do they do it? Different antibiotics have different superpowers. Some, like penicillin, are experts at demolishing the bacteria's protective walls. Imagine a fortress with its walls being knocked down brick by brick. Without their walls, the bacteria just fall apart and can't survive. Other antibiotics are more like spies. They sneak inside the bacteria and mess up their internal machinery. They might stop the bacteria from making essential proteins they need to live, or they might scramble their DNA so they can't multiply anymore. It's a very targeted attack. This is a key point. Antibiotics are specifically designed to target bacteria. Their weapons only work on the unique structures of bacterial cells. This is why antibiotics are completely useless against viruses, like the ones that cause a common cold or the flu. Viruses are totally different creatures. They don't have cell walls or the same internal machinery as bacteria. Taking antibiotics for a virus is like sending a demolition crew to stop a computer hacker. They just don't have the right tools for the job. It won't make you feel better, and it can actually cause other problems. Now, let us talk about one of the most important rules of taking antibiotics. You must finish the entire course, even if you start feeling better. Why is this so crucial? When the antibiotics first arrive, they quickly wipe out the weakest bacteria. You start feeling better because the number of troublemakers has gone way down. Yay! But hold on, there might be a few super tough, more resistant bacteria left behind. They're the survivors, the strongest of the bunch. If you stop taking your antibiotics early, these tough guys get a chance to recover and multiply. And guess what? Their offspring will inherit that same toughness. This is how we get superbugs bacteria that are resistant to antibiotics. It's a huge problem because it makes infections much harder to treat in the future. Not just for you, but for everyone. So, when you finish the full course, you making sure the antibiotic special forces stick around long enough to hunt down and eliminate every last one of those tough survivors. It ensures the infection is completely gone and helps prevent the rise of those scary superbugs. You're not just helping yourself get well, you're being a hero for public health. So, to recap, bacteria make you sick, your immune system fights back, and antibiotics are the powerful backup that helps win the war. They are master strategists against bacteria, but are powerless against viruses. And always, always finish your full prescription to make sure all the bad guys are gone for good. The microscopic world inside you is an amazing and complex place. Understanding how things like antibiotics work helps us use them wisely and stay healthy. Thanks for joining our mission today. If you learned something cool, hit that like button and subscribe for more animated adventures into science. See you next time.